Hi guys.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Eric.
And I'm Alinsky.
And this morning we are at the Jonkershoek hiking trail out in Stellenbosch. It is a scorcher of a day today, low 30s, so it's going to be hot.
Yep.
And usually they let you drive up to the trail that we're going to take. So the one that we are going to take is the Two Waterfalls trail.
But today we just literally 5 minutes ago found out that we would have to hike the 5Ks to the hiking trail and then hike the trail and then hike back all the way.
So that's 5Ks to the start of the hiking trail that we need to take to get to the Two Waterfalls. It's going to be a fun day, to say the least.
In the heat.
In the heat.
But we're going to get prepped, put some sunblock on, and yeah, then start going and check in with you guys as we, hike that.
As we power through it.
That 5Ks. See you then, guys. Hey there.
Hey guys. Okay, so we've been walking for about 40 minutes now. We started this journey at about 10 past 11 this morning. It's now, well, 10 to 12, so nearly midday. We don't know how far we have to hike to get to the trail, to the start of the trail, but we do know where it is, so there is hope.
Yeah, we don't know how far in we are. We don't know how far we still have to go, so we'll keep you guys posted.
Yeah, we'll check in with you once we get there. Hello.
We are officially 4.5 k's in on this road. We've got someone around the corner. Sorry for the heavy breathing, it's been
a long road.
It's been a challenge, yeah. But we got someone literally around the bend here. Let's say it's about 500 meters away. So we're almost there.
Almost there.
And the challenges are the sun is beaten down. There's a nice breeze, but the sun is like relentless.
If you're going to come do this trail, remember your sunblock.
Yeah. And also remember to check whether they're doing maintenance on the road or not. But yeah, we're not going to dilly-dally here. We'll see you guys in 500 meters. So yeah, see you there. Let us show you guys how beautiful it actually is where we are sitting. It's insane. We haven't even started the hiking trail to the beautiful waterfalls. Where we are right now it's amazing.
So we've made it to the hiking trail that we set out to come and do. We've walked a bit past it though, because we wanted to find this little shaded area. So we've set up here just quickly so we can have a bit of a break before we take on the main trail. It took us 2 hours to walk from the front of the nature reserve.
Yeah, at the entrance.
At the entrance. So we started 10 past 11. It's now about 10 past 1. And yeah, here we are. So one of our friends actually got engaged at this very waterfall that we're going to. We'll insert a picture here for you to have a look at that. So it does carry quite a bit of significance for us.
We've got a bit of good and a bit of bad news. So while we were walking, we realized that when we got to the initial hiking trail, that it would be another 6.2 k's to the second waterfall. We've been here before, last November, and we've hiked to the first waterfall, and the aim today was that we wanted to go and hike up until the second waterfall. So the bad news is that we're not going to achieve our goal today, but the good news is that we're still going to enjoy one of the two waterfalls. So even though we've seen it before, it's definitely a sight to behold. So yeah, we're excited to bring you guys along and show you the first waterfall and share the journey with you guys up until then. Before we get there though, we are going to have a bit of a bite to eat.
We made it, guys.
Yeah.
This is the first waterfall at the Jonkershoek Trail. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it is water cascading down from the mountains on top of us.
Yeah.
We've got a little pool back here as well,
Yeah.
which we are going to be enjoying now, considering the heat. Wow, that's going to be a much needed refreshing cool off.
Yeah.
This hike was brutal.
But this has definitely made the hike worth it. It's a pity we can't make our goal of going to the second waterfall, but next time.
Next time, indeed.
We definitely then have to come back.
Tell me you went hiking without telling me you went hiking. Or at least don't wear white when you go hiking. This is just strap marks of dirt.
It's actually past 6 right now. We hiked the entire day. We haven't checked our Google Fit yet, but I'm sure it's on 14,000 steps. It could be. We
Around
want
about,
7.
we want 7,000 steps when we got to the start of the trail.
Yeah. The waterfalls is definitely, without a doubt, the highlight.
Absolutely worth it.
Completely. So hopefully you guys get out of your comfort zone and get out here and come and see it for yourselves. Until next time, guys, we're going to call it a day. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one. Please give this video a like. It'll help us a lot. And give us a subscribe so you get notified of our future videos that we upload.
Yeah.